Gigil ako sa'yo. Naku talaga. Papunta tayo ngayon sa Conrad. Kasi andun daw yung doktor ko. Oh, wow. Cardio ko is my high school classmate and friend. So yun, magpupunta tayo ng Conrad para magpa-check up sa cardio. O diba ang bongga, hindi sa ospital. Papakita ko mga results ko and konting catch up kasi may convention daw siya doon. So yun lang, advantage ng maraming kaibigan. Nalilibre. Char. Yun lang. See you later. Bye.
Destination is on your right.
48 hours later.
Mas mahaba yung chikahan namin ng aking doctor. Si Doc Kineme. And everything is normal naman. May in-advise lang siya sa akin, gagawin ko pang isang lab. And it's nice to catch up, you know, high school friends. And yun, akala ko makakabalik ako after 2 hours, pero napahabaan chika, but no regrets. I'm very happy. We really have to take good care of our health, magpa-check up pag may nararamdaman, pero kahit wala, kung may pre-existing ka, kailangan pa-check up pa rin regularly. Yun lang for the day. Bye.